good afternoon and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a used 2020 white titanium based Ford Transit Connect. It has solar over-the-air antenna, max air fan on the roof. In the back you find the hitch, shore power plug, limo-tinted windows. You have a refrigerator, sink, microwave, little table. Here it's in the bed position, which is 43 by 72 inches. We also have a TV, DVD player, 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, front privacy curtain. Vehicle has heated leather seats, built-in navigation. Here it's in the comfortable couch sitting position. Check out our inventory or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. You can find us on the web at dlm-distribution.com. Happy camping!